Hi everyone. Welcome back to Radical TechMart. Today we are going to talk about a device that is called the heart of compressors and hydraulic systems, the WIKA Indfoss PSM-520 Pressure Switch. In this video, we'll see how it works, how to wire it correctly, and where it's used in industries, all in simple words. When you open the box, you'll find the PSM-520 switch, a product leaflet, and the calibration chart. The build quality is solid, industrial-grade metal body, pressure port at the bottom, and electrical terminals under the top cover. This model comes in ranges like 0 to 10 bar, 16 bar, 25 bar, and more. It uses a single-pole double-throw (SPDT) contact with a rating of 250-volt AC 5 ampere, ideal for most control circuits. Let's understand how it actually works. Inside the PSM-520, there's a diaphragm or piston that senses pressure. As the pressure builds up, the diaphragm pushes a spring-loaded microswitch. Once the set point is reached, the switch toggles, turning your motor, compressor, or solenoid on or off. So basically, it converts pressure into an electrical signal. Simple, reliable, and purely mechanical, no complicated electronics involved. Now let's look at the wiring. You'll see 3 terminals marked C, common, no, normally open, and NC, normally closed. If you want the switch to turn on when pressure rises, connect your load between C and no. If you want it to cut off when pressure reaches the limit, use C and NC. Always make sure to disconnect the power supply before wiring and tighten the lugs firmly to avoid sparking. Now where is this switch used? You'll find it almost everywhere, in air compressors, hydraulic systems, pneumatic machines, refrigeration units, and even process automation panels. It ensures that your system operates safely within pressure limits and prevents overpressure damage. That's why engineers call it the guardian of pressure systems. To summarize, compact and robust construction, adjustable pressure setpoint, high repeatability and long service life. Available in multiple standard ranges. It's tested and trusted for harsh industrial environments. So if you're looking for a reliable and affordable pressure switch for your next automation project, the WIKA Indfoss PSM-520 is a perfect choice. To get genuine products, ready stock, and the best price, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today. Keep your process accurate, automated, and radical.